Eric Co. Inertial System, Big Sale. Product Showcase. The technical features of this are MNS05 cost-efficient, Triaxial MEMS North Finder. The technical features of it: Triaxial MEMS gyro and accelerometer, full temperature compensation, high performance and mini size, for kHz high-speed sampling, lightweight, low power consumption, includes the accuracy can be customized, also can be widely used in many fields. Secondly, advanced process and technology. Third, high precision components manufacturing and system calibration compensation technology, high quality and reliability. The Triaxial MEMS North Finder can be used in many fields, such as North Finder, tunnel, oil drilling. Eric Co.'s MNS05 3-axis MEMS North Seeker integrates high-performance MEMS gyroscope and MEMS accelerometer in an independent structure. The gyroscope and accelerometer selected in the module represent the leading level of MEMS process inertial devices.